This DEWALT features a 7.0 amp AC, DC, 12,000 revolutions per minute motor, which was designed for faster material removal and higher overload protection. The one-touch guard eliminates the need for a tool to adjust the guard location. No buttons or levers. Just turn the guard to position it. This unit has a hex wrench that replaces the spanner wrench. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. It has a low profile, jam-pot gear case which increases durability and allows the tool to fit into tight spaces. It also features a quick change wheel release that allows for tool-free wheel removal without the need for a wrench. As an added bonus, the two-position removable side handle provides increased comfort and control. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 7 amp AC. DC, 12,000 revolutions per minute motor of the angle grinder is designed for faster material removal and higher overload protection. Number 2. One-touch guard of the metal grinder eliminates the need for a tool to adjust the guard location. Number 3. Hex wrench replaces spanner wrench of DEWALT angle grinder. Hex wrench can be found in most toolboxes. Number 4. Quick change wheel release allows tool-free wheel removal without the need for a wrench. Number 5. Two-position removable side handle provides increased comfort and control. Number 6. Slim, ergonomic body design provides increased comfort and extended use applications. Number 7. This product runs off of AC, DC power, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.